She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. This recipe is just in time for a Super Bowl Sunday appetizer idea. You guys saw me make the Reuben dip on my channel. Well, this time we're going to go ahead and make the Rachel dip. So as you can see with the name Rachel dip, it is the sister of the Reuben dip. So it has all the same ingredients as the Reuben dip, except for this time, instead of corned beef, we're going to use a leftover turkey breast. So in this case, we have the leftover turkey breast, which I had for dinner one day, some Swiss cheese, sour cream, Thousand Island dressing, some drained sauerkraut, and some cream cheese. So together, all of these ingredients are going to make another wonderful, fantastic dip, just like the Reuben, but instead, this one is going to be called the Rachel. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so we've got 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a half a cup of sauerkraut that has been drained, a fourth a cup of Thousand Island salad dressing, then 1/4 a cup of sour cream, and then our diced fresh turkey breast, along with 1 cup of shredded Swiss cheese. The shredded Swiss cheese that I had was a Swiss and Gruyere mix, which makes it even better. Mix that all up. Don't forget to season it with a little salt and a little bit of pepper. Go ahead and taste it. Make sure it tastes okay. Then you're going to go ahead and put it into a greased baking dish. Spread it all around evenly. Then go ahead and add a little bit of cheese to the top. Put it in a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly. Okay, so here's the dip. Again, I just went ahead and served it with my favorite fried chips. If you want to serve it with fresh vegetables, you can do that as well. It'd be just as tasty. If you never had a Rachel sandwich from the deli before, definitely give it a try. It's got all the flavors of a Reuben, except it's made with turkey. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had a Rachel sandwich before. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.